did not do a video on my first fire pour. That was probably the second piece I ever did. You did kind of get a glimpse of it. I did a video about tightening up the canvas because it was very puckery. It is now finished and varnished, and this is what it looks like. I really do love it. It's gorgeous. And I'd like to do a larger one. So I have this is a 12 by 12 here. I'm going to attempt to duplicate this on here. This is a 16 by 20. We'll see. We'll see how it works. I did do this with my blow dryer. You know, I've been riding the struggle bus with my blow dryer forever. But that's what I used on this one, so that's what I'm going to use again today. I'm trying to remember exactly what I did since I didn't film it. I'm not sure. I'm going to do my best. Let's get this out of the way. So again, this is a 16 by 20 that's been prepped. By the way, I'm noticing, I don't know if this is going to show up, if you guys can see this or not. Can you see here? It's fingerprints. And there. The oils from your hands, this is a matte finished gessoed canvas, right? So the oils from my hand are transferring onto the canvas, as you can see. There. So, yeah. I'm going to be working from this way up. So I'm going to lay down my black, fill it this way, and then yellow, orange, red, and out. What I'm going to try to do is make it like the other one, but layering how I blow it out so that it's not in one big puddle or a stripe, because I want to have a little bit more control of where the colors go, which colors, you know, I want it to be more of the red here, more orange in the middle, and yellow towards the bottom, going up with some of the black feeling through it. Some black I just mixed. I'm going to thin it out a little bit more since this is a Dutch. No silicone. I'm looking for a smoky technique. I suppose I could pull this off with maybe a paper towel swipe. I could get some of the effect that I'm going for, but that's not what I'm looking to do today. And I don't want to use silicone. I'm just not a fan of the silicone, and I don't want to do it. All right, my red. Which is too thick. This is brilliant yellow. The orange, actually, this is before I bought orange, and I made this mix with the brilliant red and the brilliant yellow mixed together. Now, I do realize that when you look at a fire and you look at flames, there are sometimes bits of other colors, you know, blues and things mixed in. But that's just not the look I'm going for. So I'm not doing it. All right, here we go with my blow dryer. Okay, so I tried to speed this up a little bit for you, and we'll try to get through it. Cut out the obnoxious noise of the blow dryer in the background, and decided to speed this up so you can see it a little bit faster. It's still a pretty slow process, but you kind of get the gist, right? All right, see what it's done. Just gonna tilt a little bit. Tilting is hard for me. I'm very impatient. Very cool. We'll see how it dries. Thanks for watching, you guys.